Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm doing something kind of different. It's more of a quick tip really. It won't take more than a minute and a half to even do. So I found out a little cool feature called Content Aware, which I'm sure some of you experts were aware of this new, well not really new, but this feature. And so I'm going to show you what the feature is. Basically it deletes objects or people or anything in a photo you don't want. It's super simple, it's super awesome. So I'm going to duplicate my first layer just so I can do this properly. Using the lasso tool, I'm going to just go around the image or selection I want to get rid of in my photo, like so. And I'm going to then go to Edit, Fill, and use Content Aware. Click OK. Boom! Deleted. We have one more in here I want to get rid of, so we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Get rid of that. Same thing. Edit, Fill, Content Aware. Click OK. Boom! Look at that, guys. We just deleted 2 people from a photo. They're already in a photo. How cool is that? How am I now just figuring out this feature in Photoshop? Like, I think most of you know this might exist, but I didn't know it existed until just like the other day when I accidentally hit the button. I was like, what am I doing? And like, oh, that's so cool. So that's what I wanted to show you guys quickly. Sorry it's not a regular cool video with a text effect or anything like that, but I'm just super busy this week, so I wanted to give you something, and this was something I thought you'd enjoy. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this tip was helpful for you, because it is definitely helpful for me, now that I know how to use it. And yeah, keep checking back for further updates and new uploads. I will try to give you guys a cool video next week with a text effect, because I know that's kind of what you guys are aiming towards getting. So I will do that for you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!